curaction,
curaction. Hospitals in Taiwan, nurses and patients face many challenges in health education. 1. Aging society. The ability to absorb knowledge of the elderly is weaker than the young. 2. Disorganized information with medical knowledge are not easy to read. 3. The lack of medical information causes uncertainty of illness. We can change it. Based on the improving health literacy, curaction converts the information of hospitalization into checklist, infographic, active words, admission process. Therefore, curaction reorganizes the checklist. Sign your name on the consent. Body cleaning and take off everything you need. Put the operation grown on and clean the area to be operated on. Final, family member accompany. Curaction, cure your action. Guideline flow so that patients understand all the hospital process from the admission to prepare as soon as possible and reduce the uncertainty. Curaction brings nurse-patient relationship advantage and benefits, including enhancing readability, reducing uncertainty, and enhancing communication.
curaction.
Curaction.